All right, here we're going to talk about probability. Probability is the extent to which something is probable, or what's going to happen. In Math 8, we're talking about the number of events divided by the total number of outcomes equals probability. So step 1, you got to define the events or the outcomes, what you want to happen. And the outcomes are the total number of possibilities that there could be. So for example, the probability of rolling a 1 on a dice. Well, if we think about a dice, there's six possible you could roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So you have to do the favorable, or what you want, out of the total. Okay, so there is 1 out of 6 chance that you're going to roll a 1. Step 2 is decide how you want to express your results. So here we have another example here. So probability of rolling even number. So on a dice we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. So the even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. So there is a 3 out of 6 chance you're going to roll an even number. Now we can decide how we want to express this. So if we reduce that, that's a 1/2 chance. That gives you a 0.50 or a 50% chance that you're going to roll a dice. Roll an even number on a dice. So here's some more. So pause the video. You can write down what you think the probability are, and then click play and see if you're correct. So what's the probability of each of the following? Rolling a 2. Well, there's only 1 2 on a dice, so that's a 1 out of 6 chance. Rolling a 1 or a 3. Well, there's 2 outcomes, so that's 2 out of 6, or 1/3, which is 33%. Rolling an even number, should have put odd there, but it would be the same, 3 out of 6, or 1/2, or 50%. We need to go over some symbols that you're going to see here. So greater than, less than, greater or equal to, less than, or equal to. So you might see something like this. The probability, which sometimes is just represented by the letter P, of less than or equal to 2. Okay, so it's a probability that's less than or equal to 2. On a dice, all our outcomes are like this. So there's 2 outcomes, so that's 2 out of 6. Or the probability of greater than or equal to 2. Well, greater than or equal to 2 would be 5 out of 6 outcomes. So you might see these symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to, in your assignment.